In this video, I'll show you how to adjust your settings and privacy on LinkedIn. If you want more control over your LinkedIn account, the place to do that is Settings and Privacy. LinkedIn says this area is organized into sections that let you manage account information, sign-in security, visibility, data privacy, ads, and communication preferences. On desktop, sign in to LinkedIn. Click the Me icon at the top of the homepage, and then choose Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. On mobile, tap your profile photo and then tap Settings. That opens the main area where you can review and change your account options. Once you're there, one of the most useful sections is Sign In and Security. This is where you can update things like your password and security options. If you want stronger protection for your account, this is also where LinkedIn places features related to extra sign-in security. Another important section is Visibility. LinkedIn says this is where you manage what people can see about you, including profile viewing options, your connections list, and how your profile can be discovered on and off LinkedIn. So if you want to browse profiles privately, control who sees your connections, or manage how visible your profile is in search, this is the section to check. You should also look at data privacy. LinkedIn says the data privacy section covers settings related to how your information is used, what can be seen about you, and options such as downloading your data. This is a good place to review if you want more control over your personal information and account data. If your concern is your public profile, LinkedIn has separate public profile controls. LinkedIn says your public profile is a simplified version of your full profile, and you can decide which eligible sections are shown publicly. That means you can limit what non-LinkedIn visitors or search engines may see. There are also sections for ads and communications, which let you adjust ad-related preferences and how often LinkedIn contacts you. So if you want fewer emails or want to review ad settings, those can be changed from the same Settings and Privacy area. A good habit is to go through these sections one by one instead of changing everything at once. Start with Security, then Visibility, then Data Privacy. That makes it easier to understand what each option does and helps you keep your account both secure and professional. This is an inference based on LinkedIn's section structure and what each section controls. So again, to adjust your settings and privacy on LinkedIn, open Settings and Privacy, then review the main sections like Sign In and Security, Visibility, Data Privacy, Ads, and Communications, and update the options that match how you want your account to work. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.